How to connect Claude to TradingView, AI trading, and backtesting. TradingView has PineScript, a specialized language for writing custom indicators and strategy scripts. Now, Claude knows PineScript. This combination means you can describe a trading strategy in plain English, and Claude writes the PineScript code that tests it on TradingView's very own server. Now, what if I told you that there is a way that we can properly automate Claude with our TradingView and get the proper PineScript code written with proper testing on TradingView with historical data? Now, this tutorial shows you exactly how to use Claude to build, test, and refine trading strategies in TradingView. Now, the workflow has 3 steps. Describe your trading strategy to Claude in natural language. Claude is going to generate PineScript code. You're going to paste the code into TradingView's PineScript editor. TradingView back tests the strategy on historical data, analyzes the results, iterate with Claude to improve the strategy. Now, this workflow does not require you to learn PineScript. You are the strategy designer. Claude is going to handle the implementation. And this is one of the most powerful applications of AI for traders, rapidly prototyping and testing strategy ideas that would take days to implement manually. Now, before prompting, Claude formulates your strategy clearly. A strategy has entry conditions. So basically, if we were to go into the market or any crypto section, so let's say I'm gonna go ahead to Apple. Okay, so basically, to start things off, you need to have entry conditions, which are when to buy or short, exit conditions to when to close the partition, position sizing, and risk. Could be you go over to Claude, you're gonna write, I want to test a mean reversion strategy on the S&P 500 ETP. Entry, go ahead and write buy when RSI 14 drops below 30 and price is above 200-day simple moving average. And exit, let's go with close the position when RSI rises above 60 or the trade has been open for more than 20 days or price drops more than 5% from entry. And finally, you can write position size, invest, let's say 10% of portfolio in each trade, test from 2015 to present. So that's the style of prompt you're going to want to write. Okay, if you want Claude to go ahead and do a fully functional check, you can go ahead and get a pretty decent prompt out of it. Now, this formulates your strategy for Claude, okay? And of course, what this does is it writes your proper PineScript for you. Now, this is the first parter, of course. You can also go ahead and give it a proper PineScript strategy, like write a trading view PineScript version 5 strategy that tests the following trading strategy. Okay, and you're simply gonna copy this, you're gonna annotate it, add it all in here, close it. Now, once you've added that, I'm gonna write in include the strategy function with appropriate parameters for commission and slippage, all entry and exit logic as described. A strategy entry call for longs and strategy close for exits. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. So now you have a proper code line. Now, as you can see, it's going to first run the trade simulation for you, just so you can get a proper idea. But you can get the direct Pine script from this as well. Usually the Pine script should be given to you in the matter of seconds. Doesn't take a lot of time. Now, how you can test it in TradingView is that you come up to TradingView over here, and you're going to open up the chart of any asset you want. Okay, so just literally go over to any chart that you want to go with. So let's say I'm gonna go over to the markets, and in these markets, you can literally go over to any market cap chart that you think is gonna work for your general working. So literally go over, and in your chart, or realistically at the bottom of the chart, you're going to click the test Pine script editor tab. Now mostly you should be able to find those charts for yourself. Some charts are not compatible with a Pine script. Some charts are just not built that way, but in most cases, what you can do is you can get the proper curves out of it. Now, it also depends on the general pricing of the chartings. The strategy appears on your chart with the Pine script, and you can't really add it that efficiently if you have not given it a proper look out for yourself. Okay. And for proper chart indices, you do need to make sure that you're watching in the right place. So for example, I come over to the S&P 500 index. I'm going to go over to the full chart for myself, and this opens the chart right now. Usually what's going to happen over here is you're going to get the setting of testing your Pine code mostly on the left hand side, but it depends again on your model, because in some cases it might appear in the bottom section, in some cases it might appear in one of these sections in the left, some cases it might appear anywhere over here. So what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to make sure your version is compatible for you to add in the Pine line code, and once you've added your Pine script, you're pretty much good to go. Your objectives is going to appear, and that is how you can use Claude to create yourself the finest Pine scripts for TradingView. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.